guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and it is almost all the way through October and we haven't done any Halloween decor on this channel yet, so we're fixing that today. On Amazon, I found a cool little kit that you just basically are meant to put on your table as little centerpiece stuff, but it's full of mini pumpkins and little acorns and pine cones, and I think it's just like a kit to put in a bowl or something, just some fall decor, but we're gonna use that as the base of our Halloween decor today. So there's a couple different colored pumpkins in it. There's these larger orange ones or smaller orange ones, and there's a green one, and that's what gave me the idea. So today we are making a pumpkin spider that is trick-or-treating dressed up as a witch. And I know that's a lot, but like, I don't know, in my head it works. Not gonna lie, if you guys saw the video recently, if not, I will link it above and down below in the description. I went to Dolly Wood for the first time ever, and they had their Luminites going, their pumpkins decorations for Halloween, and they had a giant spider pumpkin, and it was really cool. So that did kind of influence this craft a little bit. That's why it's like a spider pumpkin and not just a witch pumpkin. But basically we're turning pumpkins into a spider and then having them trick-or-treat as a witch. And yeah, that's the idea of the craft. So I don't know, maybe a little bit out there, but it seems perfectly spooky and creepy enough for Halloween. So that is today's video. I'll link everything you need down in the description below to make your own like always. And here we go. Okay, so we are starting with just the pumpkins. They come with these little stems. You can rip them out, but I actually kind of like them. They just make them look like pumpkins. But this little guy here, it looks like a little witch's nose because it's green. It's green and speckled, so I don't even need to paint it or anything. It just like pre-done witch's face, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna take some hot glue and just glue the pumpkins together like this. That's the first step, so super easy. We'll get our hot glue, just pile a little bit on, and zoop. Okay, so that's just about dry. We're gonna put this down for now. And I have a couple different colored pipe cleaners, but I'm going with orange because orange pumpkin. So I want the body of my spider to be same color as the pumpkin. And there are 8 legs on a spider. Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 of them, cut them in half to get 4 giant legs. So we will fold our 2 pipe cleaners in half to make sure we are cutting roughly along the center line. And measure that against the pumpkin. I still think that's too big, so I'm going to risk it all and cut them again. Just in half. So we have 8 relatively equal legs. And these I'm just going to bend in 2 places. I'm gonna bend there in all of them, and then I'm gonna bend here, just about the length of the finger, just like that. So I'm making little hooks with all of them. I'm gonna line them up next to each other so they're all roughly the same. Ooh, this one is totally not the same length. Oops. Whatever, it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna get them all in bulk and fold it over my finger like so. And then we're gonna fold it a little further down like so, so they're all roughly the same shape. Get back into the hot gluing mode, and we are going to glue along the smaller edge and put it right there on our pumpkin for a little spider leg. Just like that. So we're gonna do all 8 of these just along the body of our pumpkin spider. The main body of the pumpkin is going to hold the weight of the spider. These legs aren't really gonna have any weight on them, so don't worry about being like, well, you know, pipe cleaners aren't gonna support any weight. They don't need to. So we are already at 4 in and kind of looking like a little walking spider. Very creepy already. I'm not a fan of spiders, so I don't actually know why I did this craft, but it seemed fun and cute and festive, but like the more actually spider-like it looks like, the less cute it is becoming, and the more just like, ew, I don't want that in my home. Which is perfect for a Halloween craft, right? Like that's kind of the whole point of Halloween, is that it's a little bit creepy, but also super cute and campy, because y'all know I don't do like the gross, macabre, bloody stuff for Halloween, just because like there's no point. I don't know. I don't see any point in it. I don't like it. I like the cute campy stuff. There we go. Last one is going on right. We're gonna put it right there. There we go. So I did pre-shape these, but oh my goodness. So holding something that looks like a spider and then feeling the threads from the hot glue, like that's just automatically creepy. I don't like it. So yeah, this worked perfectly. It is already a creepy spider. but it's not yet a witch. We've got the little witch's nose from the green pumpkin, we've got the speckled face, and we've got the spider shape. This in and of itself is a really cute little Halloween decor, but I want to make it a witch's hat. So I have 2 black pipe cleaners, and I'm just gonna twist them together. I wanted to keep the base of this craft simple. Like at first I was like, oh, I'll just get like a little felt witch's hat, and then I was like, I don't know, like kind of the point and the charm of this craft is that there's so few items in it. I think so anyway, so you can look at it and be like, oh, that's pipe cleaners, oh, that's pumpkins, oh, that's really cute the way it's put together, as opposed to like, here's 47 different things that make it look like you just bought it from a store type thing. So I've never made a witch's hat from pipe cleaners before, but we're gonna give it our best go. So I'm gonna hold the top here, because I wanna get a conical shape and just kind of start spinning. This is gonna be the top of the hat, and I'm just gonna build it down by spinning it in a circle, trying to make like a little ice cream cone as I go down. And I don't have the biggest spider head in the world. The little pumpkin is not that big, but I figured I would need 2 of these because I need a brim of the hat too. Also, what's really neat about pipe cleaners is they hold their shape, but you can see it's like kind of springy. Like, I don't know, it just seems kind of cool to me. So this is about the right size, so I'm going to put my thumb here and just start going around the outside of it. And I just reached the joint where I put on the second pipe cleaner. So I'm making the brim of the hat now. So I'm just going around the outside of it, making it nice and flat and bigger and bigger and bigger as I go, just like that. And I'm gonna tuck the very end just around so that it stays. Perfect. Here we go. So we have our little witch's hat, and I'm going to add just a touch of hot glue to the top of the pumpkin here. And by touch, I mean a ton. Ooh, you can see the smoke coming off of that. This is a very high temp hot glue gun. Grab our witch's hat and go plunk. That's so cute! Look at that, that is adorable. That is so cute. That seriously looks like a little masquerading pumpkin, and I love it. It's so campy, it's so fun. It's got the slight amount of creepiness that you associate with Halloween, but it's also that like that campy factor that I seriously love so much. So this is adorable. It's super fun. I'm really excited about this. I really like this. So thanks so much for joining me with this one, guys. I'm gonna do some close-ups at the end, and I wish you a very happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, so here we have Monsieur Spider, as I have started to call him already. And he's like literally just the most adorable thing. At first I was gonna paint a face on it, but like, this is just so much more cute as it is. I don't know why. Like, I love that. I think that is adorable. I really do. Like, this hits all aspects that I wanted it to. It's pretty awesome.